Yes, you made it here. So before we close, here are the golden rules for using oil safely. और कोई वीडियो देखो ना देखो, ये ज़रूर देखना. And be it any brand's oil, be it any oil, always remember these some rules. Patch test. Always patch test before starting oils. Full use, always try it on a patch of your skin, on your face, just to see for any reactions, because natural oils or essential oils भी आपको react कर सकते हैं, and essential oils can trigger certain emotions or migraines or anything because it's a natural potent fragrant product. So इसलिए उसको patch test करके ही use करें. Please remember, oils, in the case of oils, less is more. 1 or 2 drops is more than enough. इससे ज़्यादा आपको लगाने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. अगर ज़रूरत पड़ रही है तो रिक्वायरमेंट के अकॉर्डिंग क्वांटिटी बढ़ाए, बट इनिशियली 1 or 2 drops will easily work for you. Also depending on what kind of oil you using. अगर आप सेसेमे या आलमंड यूज़ कर रहे हो तो उसका 1 drop ही काफ़ी हैवी होता है and will easily absorb well. If you're using something like a hemp seed or squalene, तो आपको थोड़ा quantity बढ़ाना पड़ेगा because it's a very fluid oil and very low on comedogenic rating. Always store your oils properly in dark bottles, in a cool place, away from direct sunlight, especially when it comes to dark essential oils. Essential oils बहुत photosensitive होते हैं and they react to sunlight and light very quickly, तो उनको dark bottles में रखना बहुत ज़रूरी है. Whenever best timings to use is either use it before your face yoga. Whenever you're doing your face massage, always use your oils as a base. अगर आप फेस योगा नहीं कर रहे हो और आपके पास ये बॉटल ऑफ ऑयल रखा हुआ है, so you can always start using them as 1 or 2 drops as a moisturizer during the day. Never start oils at night because your skin sleeps at night and your oils, whenever you start oils, वो आपकी स्किन के अंदर पेनिट्रेट करके आपकी स्किन के टॉक्सिन्स बाहर निकालते हैं. सो लिटिल पर्जिंग कैन स्टिल कम. जनरली नहीं आती है बट कभी कभी आ सकती है, एंड इफ़ यू यूज़ इट एट नाइट तो वो जनरली ज़्यादा हो जाता है बिकॉज योर स्किन सडनली गेट्स शॉक्ड कि ये नया क्या इंग्रेडिएंट आ गया. डू नॉट यूज़ टू मैनी ऑयल्स की 5-6 ऑयल्स बेंड कर दिए. स्टार्ट विथ लेस 2 or 3 ऑयल्स मैक्स टू मैक्स. Do not apply it on open areas, especially essential oils. Do not apply it on wounds or any area of that sort. Start light always. If you have to start oils, when you're washing your face in the morning, wash your face with a nice cleanser, and 1 or 2 drops of the oil with a nice massage helps beautifully. Do a double cleansing if you have sensitive and acne prone skin. Always cleanse properly. Use an oil based cleanser. You can use a cotton pad just to cleanse the oil. You can wash your face after that. So if you have sensitive acne prone skin, you have tendency of purging, so always double cleanse your face with a cloth, with a cloth pad, then with a cleanser, so that your skin gets the hydration and the benefits of face oil and still does not clog your pores. Remember, oils do not just heal the skin, they also relax your nervous system. Lavender, geranium, cedarwood, patchouli, they bring calm with every breath. So oils are not that big an issue. Only thing is you need to know which oils to use, when to use, and which suits you properly. And you need to give them 15 days time to adapt, your skin to adapt, before start reacting and feeling, what oils are not suiting me. No, oils are not bad. It's just there's a way of using them well. If you want, and yet again, if you want a ready, safe to use blend, the Arizu Glide and Move Face Oil is the perfect for you. It has been designed for face yoga, for face massage, and most importantly to be used with your tools like Gashwa, Kansa wand, Jade roller, just to give you that extra glide on your face, and works beautifully. Any other questions, feel free to drop in the comments. We are available on Instagram, on our website, Amazon, Myntra. You can check us out, the brand Arizu, and always come back to me with any questions and I'll be happy to answer. See you soon and have a beautiful face yoga experience, all of you, and a beautiful festive season. Bye-bye.